Hello, my name's Tim Green. I'm head of the Department of Electrical Electronic Engineering, and the bit of the course that I teach is around electrical energy systems.
And I'm Alexander Karapetyan. I'm a fourth-year student at Imperial doing electronic engineering. What is unique about the way you teach electronic engineering at Imperial?
I think the uniqueness comes from a focus on trying to foster creativity and inventiveness in our students and problem solving, and doing that in a collaborative environment. To be able to do all of that, you still need the fundamentals, and we take a very mathematical, analytical approach to the engineering fundamentals, but quickly try to move our students into that creativity process. So within first year, you're doing project work. We then go back and we do another layer of fundamentals in the second year, and again, project work. In third and fourth year, you're beginning to specialize by choosing options. And then in the final year, this big emphasis on an individual project where you get to show off all of those skills that we've developed during the 4 years of the course. So Alex, you're entering your final year. How have you found the learning journey?
I absolutely loved working on projects at Imperial. This has always been my favorite thing to do, make things, bring them to life. And I think Imperial really gave me everything I needed to be able to do that freely. There's projects in the first, second, third years, but there's also the hackerspace in White City and the robotics lab here on campus, where you have access to all of this equipment like 3D printers, laser cutters, and soldering stations, oscilloscopes, and this huge assortment of different electronic components, microcontrollers, and anything you could think of.
So what was your favorite project?
Well, I think it's really hard to choose one project because I really enjoyed all of them. The first one, I guess, was the simplest at the end of first year because that was the first time when we learned something theoretical on paper and had to apply it. We had to make a small RC car, basically a rover that would drive around an alien planet and measure all the different alien toys for their radio wave signatures and infrared light emissions. And the third year project was the most complicated one. Of course, it's been 3 years, we've learned a lot, and we had to showcase all of our hard work in that last project. And I think our podbot, which is a hexapod that falls into a plant pot for camouflage and then walks to other better conditions when the conditions for the plant are not optimal.
That's a really lovely answer because I think it tells that story about progressing through the years, but also for the inventiveness of some of those ideas that you have.